Hi, welcome to TBCS. I'm Tanvir. Today I'm here for explaining the hierarchical structures. This is the structures needed for controlling huge number of people. If a farm is a little farm, no problem. That could be led, that could be governed, continued with the informal attitudes. But if a farm is a big farm, basically, in every farm there are four sectors: production, finance, HR, marketing. But the issue today I'm discussing that is how the HR department, how the people of a big company can be controlled. This is chairperson, managing director, CEO. From the chairperson, whatever the vision, mission, productivity, everything being thought need to be captured, need to be implemented in the root level. So from the superior level to the root level, how the ideas could be implemented, and that is the hierarchical, through the hierarchical structures. Big company may have different strategy, but this is the accountability, these are the discipline from the chairperson. You watching, there is a production department. Under each department directorship there is a managerial action. Suppose under the production manager there is a factory supervisor, 5 factory supervisor. There are 100 operators who directly work, maintain the machine. So for getting the better productivity, the production manager directly pressurize the 5 factory supervisor. 5 factory supervisor will pressurize the 100 operators. In this way, the target, the productivity, yearly target, monthly target will be implemented through the chairperson to the production director, then production manager, then directly operators. So the fact is that this is the chain of command and this is the span of control, because if production manager give action or order to the cost accountant, the matter may not be appreciated, may not be seriously taken by the cost accountant, because this person is not accountable or liable for bearing the duty of production. So this is the span of control. I mean, until which sector my control could be gone. So this is one span of control. This is another span of control. This is another span of control. Mean the grip of control. And you know that this hierarchical structure is the very authentic system of implementing, advancing the activities very accurately with transparency, accountability, and this is the structural system of big company. Okay, this is the pressurization system from the chairperson. Motivation and target will be gone to the finance, then cost accounted, then 3 drivers from the chairperson, financial HR, the financial director, then financial accountant, then there will be gone through the accountant, assistant accountant. So in this way, HR, marketing, all department would be controlled, and this is called hierarchical structure. I mean, from top to bottom, from the superior level to the root level, how the ideas, how the order, how the target of the company can be gone through in a company, and that is hierarchical structure. Thank you.